Hello there! I occasionally receive inquiries about the organizational benefits of using our LMS. Let's explain it further.
There are a variety of benefits to using our LMS, but some of the most important ones include: say goodbye to forgetfulness, measure learning investment returns. Our LMS will ensure the deadlines are met by reminding users of their learning plans. The management team has complete control over the notification rules. Additionally, the learning calendar can be synced with external events, allowing the LMS to identify available time slots for learning. Moreover, if a company desires to make a commitment to enhancing their employees' knowledge, they must possess the capability to assess the effectiveness of their investment by comparing it to the actual learning outcomes. With our learning management system, LMS, we can carry out a comprehensive evaluation of the learning process, enabling us to comprehend the crucial equation: investing in learning equals gaining from learning. Overall, our LMS is highly tailored to meet the needs of organizational management. It motivates and tracks learning activities to help achieve results, measures them in detail, and provides valuable data for identifying remaining learning needs.
Absolutely. As a proud bee living in the hive, I'm thrilled about our LMS. If you have any questions or need more information, don't hesitate to buzz me through our communication channels.